Slide 5, Article 2, Enhancing the Learning of Sports Skills Through External Focused Feedback. Two experiments were done involving volleyball players and their ability to learn tennis skills. Different types of feedback were given and the performance was measured. The purpose of this research was for learning complex motor skills and the relation it has to feedback effectiveness. This research was done to examine previous studies of external and internal feedback. In Experiment 1, 48 students ranging between 16 and 23 years of age were blindly tested for a tennis serve. They are broken into two categories, novice and advanced, and individually tested. Feedback was given according to their need for improvement. Their scores were measured on a chart. In Experiment 2, a similar study was done using a different task. A lofted soccer pass was used, only participants who had some experience in the sport. 52 right foot dominant college students were used in this experiment. They were male and female. A target was placed 15 feet away and were tested individually to see if they could hit the target. Participants were divided into 4 groups and specific feedback was given to each group. The groups with external focused feedback were overall more accurate than the groups with internal focused feedback, independent of the level of expertise. This was also true for the scores on form and accuracy retention. Form retention scores showed no advantage for either type of feedback. In Experiment 2, the two groups that received external focused feedback were more accurate than the groups with internal feedback. The interaction of feedback frequency and feedback type was significant. The retention scores were better with the external focused feedback group as well. This relates to my profession because coaches' feedback does in fact affect performance. Using this study, one can see the correlation between specific types of feedback and frequency of feedback with performance. Taking a deeper look into the amount of feedback and intrinsic versus extrinsic feedback focused, a clear solution is the ideal way to present feedback, and that can be concluded.